Hey, hey, how y'all doing? This is me. This is Lacey. Say hey, Lacey.
Hi.
And this is 4 Pound Live. We back. We got a video for y'all. It's her first video, so she's excited. Today we got something special for y'all. What?
You did it 3 times.
I know. I know it's embarrassing on camera, right? Anyway, so we doing something special. This is what I call an unveil. Y'all know about this. We're unveiling right now. And we do this thing, it's called Snack Crate, where once a month they'll send this box to me. Show the box.
Ta-da! Is that
Yes.
snack crate?
Yeah, show a Snack Crate. And they'll send this box to me. And it has a bunch of different things in it. I haven't told her nothing that's inside yet. She's been asking all day. I'm gonna let her open it. I'm gonna let y'all watch her open it. Let's see what's up. And I got my Florida Gator shirt because this the first game of the season. We playing Miami today at 7 p.m. So hopefully, I know we gonna do it. All right. So, by the way, I get this box from snackcrate.com. You can go in there and order these boxes and have them delivered to you once per month. Check that out, snackcrate.com. You gonna do that whole video? So you gonna open it or you want me to open it? Okay, so I gotta cut it.
Jack McBark.
I don't know using. I got you. All right, right now I could get a knife, but she didn't pick it. Y'all ain't know this was a fork.
They still can't see you.
Nah, open it.
Ripped it.
Open it. Show my address.
Where? Where's that?
Alright, so I don't know if y'all can see. I'll make
I
sure.
don't know what this is.
Wait. Let's see.
Ta-da!
I'm gonna move the camera a little bit. So y'all can see. I wanted to lean a little bit.
I don't know what this is. Is this just Christmas stuff?
Wait. So, can y'all see
I
that?
have no idea.
So, hey, Lacey.
I'm going to open it.
What you see? You gonna show that? You wanna talk about this? Oh, so
This is...
look like first things first. We open the box. That's where we are so far. We open the box. So you see a few things coming out. A few things. These are stickers.
I'm taking them.
Sticker. You're taking the stickers? Sorry that my hands just ashy. I just washed my hands, so it's okay. At least I'm clean.
And these, I don't know what this is, but I think it's Christmas.
Sure.
Sorry.
So this says Poland. I'm gonna say Poland. Oh, so I think this box. So just to break it down, she don't know this, but I do. This box is from different countries. Okay, once a month I have a box from a different country. Once a month I have a box from a different country. Okay, and
This is Virginia. And this is
Poland. So once a month I have a box from a different country. So this month is Poland, so we get to see what Poland has in store for us. Lacey, you learn about a lot of different countries in school, right? And you ever wonder what they eat in different countries? Like, what snacks you like here in America? What snacks you like to eat? Tell them. Cheez-Its.
yes, I eat those.
She had a Popeyes chicken sandwich, by the way, too. I'm gonna add that video at the end of this probably.
Okay.
One stacks of Poland. So let's keep unveiling.
And if you want this, I'll get to the store.
Time to go to the store. What's next, Lacey? Come on. It's like a sticker too. Turn around.
Get the sticker off. I don't know what that. I got a
Pick it up and show what you see.
I have chips.
What kind of chip? Let's go one by one. So these are all snacks from Poland. So we never seen these things. Wait. These are chips called Tapsy. I think that's a Tapsy. Tapsy.
Ooh, I like that. We got these.
Okay. So we're gonna open this first and try it before we move on. So let's open it and try it.
Okay.
So it look like some type of, look at the texture, the little design. It has cheese, onion. What all you see there? That's cheese and onion, right?
Cheese.
So I guess it got cheese. And what do they look like? Oh, no hesitation. Go ahead. Go ahead, grab one. Taste test time. Let me show you how it look before we taste it.
Ta-da.
Yeah. They got this little loop thing where they probably, if they good, you can use this as scoops. Like Rotel. We both love Rotel cheese dip. So let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, good.
You like it? The texture is pretty alright. It's not, I thought it'd be more crunchy. It'll crunch at the beginning, but once you put it in your mouth, it softens real fast.
It's crunchy right now. And not crunchy no more.
What's next, Leslie?
We have, oh, I think I know these. These are pretzel sticks.
Pretzel sticks. But in Poland, they're called
Quaddle sticks.
Beskider disease. Beskider disease. I don't know what that second word is. Paluski. Alright, so I'm gonna try one.
Yay. I'm gonna get all three.
I'm gonna try only one. If I can get it open.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, found the rip, you guys.
Oh.
Daddy got it. Alright, grab a pretzel. Let's see. Look like pretzel.
It smells like coffee.
It do smell like coffee. Mmm.
We got some coffee sticks.
Coffee. They're bacon flavor.
They smell like coffee, but they bacon.
Bacon flavor. You see it?
Bacon
That's
blue.
bacon flavor.
Let me see. I never seen one.
Alright, so these are pretty good. I would eat these as a snack. Right. Okay. Next.
It looks like a hard honey bun, but it's actually kind of hard, so I think it's a hard cookie.
Yeah. So do like a heart honey bun. Like I said, like a heart donut stick. So let's open this. It's pretty hard, like a cookie. Here.
What
Ready?
kind is this?
Like an oatmeal gingerbread look like.
It smells like that. It's good.
It's soft. It's called Ushmiganij. Ushmiganij.
Ninja.
Okay.
Next thing we have
Hold on. Yeah, ready.
is a new kind of
I don't know.
brownie.
It's called Prince Polo Roku. Like a chocolate wafer, if you look at that picture of it. Like a chocolate wafer. So we gonna check this
Look
out.
at me stuff we already ate. Wait.
I know we eating stuff, right?
Yes, eating.
I can't get this up.
I can. It's crunchy on the bottom.
Alright.
It got little squares
Like a
on it
wafer.
on the bottom.
Yeah. I like the design
Look
of
at
it.
squares. These are already
Slowly,
eating.
slowly. Squares all on my finger.
No,
Okay.
no,
So
no.
1, 2, 3. Not bad.
It's what it tastes like. What? It tastes like chocolate and s'mores, but like chocolate on the top and s'mores in the middle.
Yeah. Like you said. Alright, last thing. All these are the same but different flavors.
You got candy.
Candy. So these are the same.
The three.
I know, but it's the same as these. So I don't know if it's gonna focus. Please focus. Thank you. So it says fresh fruity. Blueberry.
But one is fresh fruity and one is
So one
fresh
is.
fruity again.
So let's open it. We're gonna eat half of that. Alright, how about
Okay, I got it.
about half of it? You gotta take it out. You got it. There you go, just like that. There you go. Alright, just about half of it.
Good. I got
This is something we got here that's just like this. I don't know the exact name. Halloween time they just bring these out. I don't know, let's switch flavors, huh? Would you like apple?
this is good.
Alright. I like. So, that was all in the snack crate box.
Are you sure? Because we got one more.
It's the same thing we just ate.
Wait,
Don't
let me
open
do
it.
this again.
We got it. So,
We're
same
gonna be
thing.
eating these all week.
So, that's the end of the box. This is a smaller box. They have bigger ones. I didn't want to go too candy crazy. I really don't eat snacks or nothing like that. She do. But, she do. But, this is the design in the box. They actually have the nutrition facts in the
Ta-da!
box of all the candy. So,
And
again, you can get this. So again, you can get this at www.snackcrate.com. You can
Look
register.
at it, look at it, look at it. That's it.
I'm going to place the link to this in the description comment below. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Give me feedback. Reach out to me. Alright, emails on there.
So this is what kind we actually ate.
Me and Lace will be doing this once per month. So look forward to a different country next month.
Virginia.
Thank you for watching our Snack Crate video. Remember, snackcrate.com.
Toot.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Badoom-doo. Say it. Badoom-doo.
Bye.
Badoom-doo.